Today we're taking a closer look at and showing you how to install the factory style headlights here with the amber corners and black housings, fitting all 2004 to 2008 F-150s. Now you should be considering these lights if you are looking for a very affordable way to add a slightly more sinister appearance to the front of your ride, thanks to things like the black housings paired with the clear lenses. Now these headlights will be sold in sets of 2. They do feature the black ABS plastic housings, complete with the amber reflectors, and can be had all for right around that low to mid $100 price point. So moving into our features block, and I do feel like these headlights will be a great choice for budget-minded F-150 owners out there looking to freshen up some faded stockers, but add a different, more aggressive look at the same time. Now that's because these options will end up replacing a lot of the chrome found in your factory headlights with a much more menacing matte black while still staying true to the factory layout or design. Now along with that, they do still retain a clear lens along with those amber reflectors here on the side, and will be a very simple plug-in play swap, as we'll show you here in a little bit. Now, as far as your construction is concerned, well, again, these basic lights are going to utilize a combination of ABS plastic for the base, thanks to that matte black housing there, and again, they are topped off with an impact-resistant polycarbonate clear lens. Now this is a great combination here because it does give you that aggressive look, but at the same time it doesn't cut down on your light output like you would get if you were to utilize maybe a darker smoke lens instead, especially when we're sticking with halogen lighting. Now in addition to that, that clear lens with the black housing does still maintain the DOT and SAE stamp of approval, and that does make these lights legal for use in all 50 states. Now the headlights do include brand new turn signal bulbs, however they do not include brand new dual element bulbs, so you can either just swap those over from your stockers or use this as an opportunity to maybe grab something a little newer. Last but not least, guys, the headlights are adjustable so you can aim them properly after the installation. All right, price point for the factory styled options are going to live around that low to mid $100 mark here, again, making these one of the most affordable on the site for your 04 to 08 F-150 at home. But keep in mind, guys, these are also going to be one of the more basic options as well. So if you did want to get something that had maybe some more bells and whistles in the form of LED daytime running lights, halos, or something else, well, you will be spending a little bit more money at the end of the day. All right, moving into the installation, and the site's gonna call this a pretty solid 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter here, taking you at least an hour to get in place from start to finish. But again, this will be a very simple swap thanks to the fact that these are a direct plug and play replacement. But now to give you a better idea of how this one might go down in the garage or driveway at home, let's throw it out to the shop for our detailed walkthrough and tool breakdown.
For this install, you need a ratchet, extension, and 10mm socket. All right, today we're gonna be installing some headlights on our F-150. First, we're gonna watch a quick video to uninstall the stock ones, then we'll come back here to install the new ones.
Guys, first step of the uninstall to get our factory headlight off is, of course, pop your hood. Then you're gonna take a 10mm socket. I like to use an extension just to flip this guy over. There's one bolt here, one bolt up top, and then one tucked into this corner. So grab your 10mm and get all 3 of them off. All right, from here we can just pull straight back on our headlight. We've got it loose already. And pull and disconnect. Now what you want to do is flip her over, and we're going to pinch and disconnect the harnesses from the bulb sockets. So here, just pinch and disconnect. Same here. Pinch and disconnect. All right, now we can set this guy aside.
So before we get our new headlight on, we just have to swap over one bulb. Now our new light comes with a turn signal and marker. So we just need our headlight bulb. We'll give that a quarter turn, pull that out. Go ahead, line up our bulb in our new headlight, give that a quarter turn, we can go ahead and get this in place. So now we'll plug in our 3 factory connectors, give our marker, headlight, and then turn signal. We can go ahead and get our headlight into place. Pull this cover back. And then we're gonna go ahead and reinstall our 3 10mm bolts. So we have our 2 bolts in the front. We'll get those threaded on. And then our one up top. We'll grab a ratchet, extension, 10mm socket, and tighten these down. Now you can go ahead and just repeat the same steps on the other side and you'll be all set to go. And that wraps up our install of our factory style headlights with amber corners with a black housing and clear lens for a 2004 to 2008 F-150. And remember, for everything F-150, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.